The battle over fluoride in drinking water, the focus in Jefferson County courtroom today.
On March 20th, the utility announced that it was no longer adding fluoride to its water supply. Last Friday, the city filed a suit over that action, arguing it was against state code because they didn't give the state health enough notice ahead of time. WVTM 13's Lisa Crane has been following the story in the courtroom all day today. Lisa, can you tell us what you've learned?
Yeah, that case just wrapped up moments ago, and it actually ended with really no decision. While the judge in this case, Judge Frederick Bowling, had indicated that he did find that the Central Alabama Water Board had violated the law, there was really nothing he could do about it. So he decided to wait and implement his decision in 10 days. Now, here's what happened in court today. Central Alabama Water argued that they gave notice, the 90-day notice required to stop fluoridation of water, to announce the stoppage of fluoridating the water. They gave that on March 20th and March 30th. Now, that is not 90 days, though. You're supposed to wait 90 days to actually stop the fluoridation, but that fluoridation had been stopped for several years because of broken parts and aging infrastructure that had made it impossible to fluoridate city water. Now, the judge says he didn't like the decision, but he didn't see any other choice. Listen to what he had to say about his decision.
I told you, this is not a decision that I like at all. I have kids. All I drink is water. I haven't had a soda in 13 years. I don't like having to make a decision. But the issue is that I don't see that there's a legal way for me to do anything other. Because there is no injunctive remedy that will get us to where we need to be.
Now, attorneys for the city of Birmingham that actually filed this injunction say that they want them to force the city to actually make repairs and get that fluoridation up and running again. Wants the judge to do that, and while the judge says he could do that, there's really no possible way for the city to get the fluoridation program up and running within the next 90 days, and after 90 days, he would have no more authority after that to force them to do so. But again, we will know for sure how this is going to play out in 10 days. In the meantime, though, it looks like the judge is leaning in that direction. Live in Birmingham, Lisa Crane, WVTM 13.